Now, if you've ever tried tackling the type of terrain that I'm driving right now, you'll know what a toll it takes on your tyres. And that's why Bridgestone have developed their 674s for durability and toughness. Toughness and durability are two things that you simply cannot compromise on when it comes to off-road driving. For this reason, Bridgestone have deployed a number of advanced concepts and technologies in the design of the 674, and I've tested these concepts extensively up in Cape York and on these local tough tracks. Alrighty, this is some pretty gnarly stuff right here. There's all sorts of obstacles here that want to do damage to my tyres. We're talking logs, stumps, rocks, old four-wheel drives that didn't make the grade. The list really does go on. To handle these kinds of terrains, Bridgestone have come up with advanced tread compounds which give the tyre greater chip and cut resistance, which of course, as you can imagine, enables the tyres to withstand punctures and damage from obstacles you might find on the track. And you can honestly feel it in the way the tyres mould over the obstacles. That may well be good on your local weekend tracks, but how do they perform on bigger trips where you simply can't afford tyre dramas? To test that, we ran these tyres on some of Cape York's toughest tracks. Make no mistake about it, we broke multiple trucks on these tracks. They were that tough. The thing is, the Bridgestone Duelers on the Land Cruiser handled everything we threw at them. These Dueler 674s are proof that toughness and durability in mud terrain tyres is constantly improving. And believe me when I say, when you find yourself in the rough stuff, the tougher and more resilient your tyres, the better.